Hello. In this lesson, I will talk about the Windows. And I'm not talking about the operating system. You can have Windows also on Linux and Mac. Windows are usually big square spaces. They often have a title and maybe some controls for minimizing and closing the window. Windows have a width and height. They also have placement, which is based on a XY coordinate system, where X goes from left to right on the horizontal axis and Y goes from top to bottom on the vertical. Windows are also responsible for providing with any events that happen within them. In this course, we will care about rendering images, called frames, inside these windows. Some devices or environments don't support Windows, like phones or browsers canvas. To cover all the options, we will use a library called GOFW. This library will help us with getting access to the graphics functionality, and not care about the platform specifics too much.